Honorable Union Minister and other panelists on the dais. I work as Executive Director with Northeastern Development Finance Corporation under Ministry of Development of Northeast. So till few years ago, we would always talk about the tourism potential of Northeast. It was only the potential that we would talk about. But if you see, last few years, this potential has begun to be realized in various states of the Northeast. And there is a reason why this is happening. Because if you see, in last few years, a lot of positive developments have happened in the infrastructure side of the Northeast. Earlier, a destination would take a lot of time to travel, but today we have good roads available to give comfortable journey to the tourists. Then a lot of hotels have been built. A lot of national and international brands have come in, and also our local brands like Polo Hotels, Kiran Sri Grand, Iora, Windermere. All these are also building very good properties in the Northeast. And if you see, till 10 years back, only 6 airports were operational in the Northeast. But today it has tripled. It has increased to 19 airports are operational in the Northeast. If you see the railway connectivity, today 1,700 kilometers of rail length has been built. More destinations are being connected, and more trains are being added to connect towns and cities in the Northeast. So all this have contributed to the growth of tourism in the Northeast. So now where NETFI comes in is, see, when tourists come, they need good hotels to stay. We have to provide them good accommodation. So we have financed hundreds of hotels all over Northeast in the last 2 decades, and we have invested more than 1,000 crores in this tourism sector, and we are investing more. We have in our portfolio, we have national and international brands like Marriott, Taj, Mayfair, Lemon Tree, Postcard, and you'll be glad to know that both the 5-star hotels in Shillong have been financed by NETFI. And also, you'll be glad to know that last year, a NETFI finance project, Postcard, in a Tea Garden Resort in Tejpur, was adjudged the Hotel of the Year award by Gallivanter's Guide, which is the most trusted guide among the global travelers. So NETFI has been in the forefront of development of tourism in the Northeast. We have financed so far more than 450 hotels, and these are not only big hotels, but big brands, then boutique hotels, and also premium homestays in small towns and remote destinations of Northeast. Wherever big hotels are not there, these boutique hotels and homestays are filling the gap. And you would be knowing that NETFI has a venture capital fund, and under that venture capital fund, we have invested in 2 homegrown ventures from Northeast. One is Our Guest Travels from Sikkim, which is a platform for aggregating farm stays, homestays, retreats in the Northeast, North Bengal and Ladakh. The difference between the national platform and this Our Guest Homestay is that national platforms only focuses on hotels, but Our Guest Homestay aggregates community-based accommodations in all these northeastern states and Ladakh. So they have so far aggregated about 700 units all over. So this is the role of NETFI in the Northeast. And also another thing is that in many destinations there is a chicken and egg situation. Like if you build hotels, it may not become viable because tourists are not coming. If you don't build, tourists again won't come. So there, Government of India's schemes like Unnati scheme, which subsidizes capital and also gives tax concessions to these kind of projects in the Northeast. This is coming in a big way in helping build more infrastructure in the Northeast. And NEDFI is the nodal agency for administration of this Government of India scheme. And this scheme has really impacted the response from the industry, and more hotels are being built. So with these few words, I would like to.
Thank you so much. I'd like to just request Mr. Dange to join us to take the session forward as well. Please, Mr. Dange.